Now, I'm going to discuss about social responsibility of the business. That means every business is aimed at earning profit for their own organization. But at the same time, the business organization should rely upon the society's welfare, and it has a complete responsibility towards the society, because the pollutions part and customers part and many other issues are to be discussed now. Social responsibility. This is the obligation of business towards society. Gone are those days when business was considered an engine of profiteering, capital formation, and business expansion. So, society is a home of business. Business is done in the society and with the society, and thus it is a part and parcel of society. So, it is the duty of business to provide utmost satisfaction to the customers and other members of the society. Social responsibility is a personal obligation of everyone as he acts in his own interest to assure that the right and legitimate interests of all others are not impaired. In the real sense, the assumption of social responsibility implies recognition and undertaking of the aspiration of society and determination to contribute to its achievement. Social responsibility of business is to pursue the policies, to make those decisions, to follow those line of action which are desirable in terms of objectives and values of our society. So we say social responsibility is quite wide and includes responsibilities of business towards all sections of society, such as consumers, employees, owners, shareholders, suppliers, government, community, and itself. So, social responsibility applies to all business organizations, public and private sectors, which have been established for earning profits, and not to any non-profit making organizations. Social responsibility is a two-way traffic. I will explain that concept also. Social responsibility of business, it is a continuous process of business at regular and ongoing activity. Social responsibility is a combined and social institution which has been established, organized, and directed for the benefit of the society. If a business neglects the social responsibility, it loses its social power. So, the social responsibility lays emphasis on all-round development of the all sections of the business.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva. Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva. Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva.
Market forces play an important role in making business responsible to fulfill its social obligations. In the present competitive economy, those businessmen who produce and sell quality of goods at cheaper rates will find favorable response from their customers. So those businessmen who do not bother about the needs, preferences, or paying capacity of their customers may not find any market for their products. So this way, market forces are helpful in making businessmen aware of their social responsibility. Modern governments play a very important role in making businessmen responsive to society. So, number of legislations have been enacted from time to time to make businessmen aware of their social responsibility. So, there are number of laws, both economic and non-economic, to the welfare of the society and social security of workers, controlling pollution, quality, price control, prevention of hoarding, black marketing, adulteration, etc. So such measures compel a businessman to fulfill his social responsibility. Trade unions also play a very important role in realization of the social responsibility of business. They demand social security, welfare measures, better working conditions, better wages for workers. So, growth and development of trade unions compelled businessmen to feel social responsibility. Professional managers, they are emerging in the field of business management at a faster rate. The job of management of business enterprise is being assigned to professionals, and these professional managers have altogether a different approach towards workers, employees under their control. So they understand the difficulties faced by their employees and try to tackle them in a compassionate way. So society is the home of business. So no business enterprise can survive and develop without fulfilling the needs, hopes, aspirations in the society. If the possible aware of the social responsibility, the businessman must be guided by its obligation as to price, quality, availability, needs of community and large and the more long-term purpose of the society. All businessmen try to have good public image for the development of new business enterprises. It is possible only by undertaking these social welfare measures. The business should realize all the hopes of the society because it is working in a home. Some experts are of the opinion that business enterprise has no other responsibilities except efficient utilization of the wealth producing resources. Most of the experts lay emphasis on fulfilling social responsibility by business enterprises. So, there must be a moral justification. The society must feel moral responsibility of the business to discharge its social responsibility towards the societal home. It is expected to respond to the needs of the society. Business, if fails to do this, the society will either force to do or compel to close down its organization. So the performance of social obligation by business enterprises will not only be in the interest of the society but also in its own interest. The concept of social responsibility creates better environment for the establishment, development and the success of its business. Social responsibility is that public expectation from business have been completely changed. So business want to exist for longer period, it must respond to the societal needs. There is a growing feeling of social, cultural norms of the society to regulate business enterprise and ensure they fulfill their obligations towards society. In a country like India, where social cultural norms have been long and rich heritage, a business promoting social and cultural norms will enjoy social patronage. No business enterprise can be allowed to function at the cost of the society. Business is an economic activity, So no activity can be conducted in a country without support of the government. So now the government support can be achieved only when business enterprise is fulfilling its social responsibility in theory as well as in practice. So government intervene and enact suitable legislation and force the businessman to shoulder this kind of responsibilities. Lastly, social responsibility to keep their interests, to protect their own workers, their own profit-making objective, and public will hold a good opinion about owners of those business enterprises which are responsive to the social obligations. G.D. Birla and his business associates are business tycoons who emphasized the fulfilling of social responsibilities of business throughout his lifetime.
जय गणेश